If you were starting from zero today, would you build wealth the same way your parents did? Visuals showed traditional jobs, factories, banks, and digital innovations. Previous generations followed a simple path: education, job, salary, savings, home, retirement. Today, younger generations face a new reality. The next generation builds wealth differently. They blend skills, technology, business ownership, and multiple income sources. Let's dive into these wealth-building forces. The traditional career view is shifting. One job is no longer the only path. Now it's about having a valuable skill. Skills can create income in various ways. Consider a designer earning from companies and selling digital products. Or a programmer who builds software and consults. They own their economic skill, not just a job. Let's explore portable skills. These move across employers and industries. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI is reshaping how we earn. It's not a shortcut to wealth. AI helps us accomplish tasks once reserved for large teams. Think of AI in research, marketing, and content production. The key isn't just using AI, it's knowing how to leverage it. Meet two entrepreneurs. One uses AI casually. The other employs it with industry knowledge and customer insight. The second entrepreneur has greater earning potential. Ownership plays a crucial role in wealth creation. Income from labor is different from owning valuable assets. Forms of ownership include businesses, stocks, and intellectual property. Imagine someone earning $5,000 monthly. Path 1. Spend income. Path 2. Invest in productive assets. Ownership carries risks but can yield rewards. Technology reduces costs for starting businesses. Picture an entrepreneur in a small home office. They use AI and online platforms to manage their business efficiently. Their aim isn't just to work alone, but to maximize efficiency. Leverage means one person serving many customers. Examples include consulting, digital services, and content businesses. Finding customers remains a major challenge. Let's look at multiple income streams. They provide flexibility but require focus and strategy. Meet Maya, who starts with one skill. Her journey includes employment, freelance work, and building a business. She doesn't chase multiple hustles at once. Each income stream builds on her primary skill. Now, let's discuss accessible investing. Technology simplifies investing for everyone. Asset categories include equities, bonds, and real estate. Remember the importance of consistency and diversification. Regular investing can grow significantly over time through compounding. The next generation might invest while earning. Intellectual property offers unique wealth-building opportunities too. These assets can be software, books, or media. Selling a digital product can lead to recurring income. The difference is between one-time work and scalable creations. As we shift from technology back to human behavior, adaptability emerges as key. Industries and jobs will change, but adaptable skills matter most. Learning, communication, and problem-solving are essential for future success. The next generation doesn't need to predict everything. They need to learn and adapt as the future unfolds. Let's create our wealth formula visually. High-value skills, strong income, ownership, and time equal greater wealth-building potential. But remember, removing one component doesn't stop potential success. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and speculative behaviors. Now, here's a practical framework for starting today. Choose a valuable skill. Become useful at solving a specific problem. Increase your earning power. Control your lifestyle growth. Start building ownership. Invest consistently toward your goals. Leverage technology for productivity. Build relationships and a good reputation. Create systems instead of relying solely on hours worked. Invest in ongoing learning. We've come full circle. Would you build wealth like your parents did? The answer can be nuanced. Learn from traditional principles but embrace new tools. The future of wealth belongs to those who can turn skills into income. Income into ownership, and ownership into freedom. This is Finance Flow, exploring the ideas shaping money and wealth. In this dynamic landscape, flexibility becomes paramount. The traditional path may seem comforting, yet it often constrains growth. Embracing change opens avenues that prior generations may not have explored. With a mindset rooted in resilience and adaptability, the next generation finds paths not just limited to established norms. Instead, they harness modern tools alongside time-honored wisdom. For instance, consider how a young entrepreneur, equipped with digital skills, can target global markets from the comfort of their home. This contrasts sharply with the geographical limitations of the past. The blend of technology and creativity expands horizons, allowing ambitious individuals to chart their own course toward success and fulfillment. Their journey is not just about monetary gains. It underscores the importance of purpose and passion in today's wealth-building equation. As we delve deeper, we uncover the power of innovation and collaboration in transforming not just individual lives, but communities as a whole. This transformation encourages today's youth to marry their unique insights with cutting-edge technology, driving new business models that prioritize sustainability and social impact. The emphasis is no longer solely on profits, rather, it's about crafting value that resonates with a broader audience. Through collaboration, young innovators not only benefit themselves but also uplift those around them, creating networks of support and growth. This shift fosters a culture of innovation, where sharing knowledge and resources becomes just as vital as the pursuit of financial gain. As we examine the practical strategies for building wealth, it becomes clear that community building and mutual support are essential along the path toward financial independence and collective success. To navigate this new landscape effectively, individuals must cultivate essential skills such as adaptability and resilience. These strengths not only empower them to respond to changes, but also inspire innovation and creativity in problem-solving. As they embrace opportunities, it's crucial to foster a mindset geared toward lifelong learning and improvement. By experimenting with new technologies and staying informed on market trends, they can remain competitive. Additionally, building a robust professional network becomes invaluable, providing connections and insights that further enhance their ventures. Ultimately, the journey toward wealth is one that intertwines knowledge, creativity, and continuous evolution. The next generation thrives on collaboration and innovation, where sharing knowledge accelerates growth. Community becomes a cornerstone in this new wealth-building model, as individuals engage with one another to foster success. Imagine a collective of young creators who not only enhance their own skills but also mentor each other, forming strong connections that amplify their impact. With this shift, the focus transitions from isolated ambition to a shared vision for prosperity. The future will favor those who understand that by working together and leveraging diverse talents, they can create opportunities that benefit all involved. This collaborative spirit allows for the emergence of new ideas and solutions that address both personal and societal needs. As we progress, acknowledge the power of forming alliances that inspire action and drive progress, not just for oneself but for the larger community. It's about nurturing a mindset that values collective achievements alongside individual triumphs, paving the way for a more inclusive approach to wealth and success. As young innovators seek to redefine success, they are not just aiming for personal wealth. They are driven by a desire to create a legacy that reflects their values. This shift goes beyond financial gain, emphasizing the importance of ethical entrepreneurship. By integrating sustainability into their business models, they challenge the status quo and strive for a future where success is measured not just in profit margins but also in positive societal impact. They leverage their platforms to advocate for change, aligning their ventures with causes that resonate with their audience. Through conscious decision-making, each choice reinforces their commitment to making a difference while building their wealth, showcasing that financial freedom and social responsibility can go hand in hand. In this evolving landscape, intellectual property becomes increasingly valuable for young entrepreneurs. Creating scalable products, such as an online course or a mobile app, can generate income far beyond traditional wages. These digital assets do not just offer immediate revenue but also the potential for ongoing royalties, enhancing financial stability. For instance, a musician who earns from streaming their music not only gains an audience but also cultivates a brand. As digital creators innovate, they are not merely consumers of technology. They become architects of their own wealth, showcasing how creativity can transform ideas into substantial income streams. The journey toward financial independence isn't linear, it's multifaceted. By understanding and integrating traditional wisdom with modern strategies, the next generation can successfully navigate the complexities of wealth creation. As they leverage adaptable skills and collective resources, a new era of financial prosperity awaits, promising fulfillment and a lasting impact on their communities.